You're not too far to the left. Your cheese is to your left.
That's the carpet.
Not right there. To the left. To the left.
In today's video, I am reviewing this newest game on Amazon called Crazy Trap, as well as showing you how to play so that you can make a wise purchasing decision when you go to check this out for a Christmas gift or a birthday present. Hi, I'm Shawn. Welcome to my channel. Join me on my mission to bring back family fun this holiday season and all year round. Consider subscribing to this channel and give it a like, share it with a friend. After watching this video, I would love for you to give me some feedback on whether you like this style of video where I just take one game, show you how to play it, tell you my thoughts at the end. Let's start off with my first impression opening this new game straight from my mailbox. All right, so this is my first impression of Crazy Trap, unboxing it. Fresh from Amazon. This was developed by a viewer of mine, but I did pay for this with my own money, purchased from Amazon. It actually arrived in one day, which is crazy. Ages 5+, 2 players. I love the graphic design on the mouse. It does say it's not for children under 3 years old. Ooh, 7 snack toys. Promotes physical activity and spatial awareness. All right, let's open this up. Whoa, look. It's the creator's family. How cute. Is that them on the front too? Definitely their family because I know what the creator looks like. Alex is the creator. Great job, Alex. I like it. Oh, look. It's got little testimonials from his family. How cute is that? You know I love a family game. Okay, what do we have in here? Ooh, we have a soft, squishy cheese. This is very high quality foam, I can tell. It's so squishy. All right, next thing I see is Crazy Trap challenge cards. I don't know what this is. I'm excited to see. Whoa. Oh, they're okay, there's yellow and red. Let's get crazy. Turn around, walk 4 steps backward, turn around, walk 3 steps. Oh, geez. Don't touch the floor with your hands. Okay, that's exciting. Oh, look at the little mask. You guys know I love a face mask, a blindfold in a game, and it's adjustable. Cool. It's got a little bit of a foam squishiness to it. And I think that's an adorable face. I really like the design on the mouse. Okay. Oh, here's the traps. Dun, dun, dun. What does it say? We love our planet. We don't use unnecessary plastic in our packaging. That is awesome. I remember the creator Alex was talking about how he used cardboard packaging instead of plastic for environmental reasons. And I love that he is environmentally conscious. Okay, how do these are cool. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How do these work? Oh, geez. Okay, so are they like a slap bracelet? That's pretty cool. It goes the opposite direction. Hold on. Whoa, it's like the opposite of a slap bracelet. I've never seen this in a game. Have you guys? I've never seen this in a game. Oh, so no bare feet, only shoes. How about socks? Can we do socks? I really like those. Those are really awesome. And then the user guide. Oh, and look at the bottom. I love how colorful the packaging is on this. And they've got little cartoons that show you how to play. Okay, this is very well thought out. And look how compact it is. This will go great. This will make a great travel game too. I'm excited to play this with my family. Crazy Trap is for ages 5 and older and for 2 players or more. The object of the game is Ninja Mouse is hungry and tries to find the cheese in the dark. Will our hero succeed and avoid stepping on the mouse traps? Blindly, only a real ninja can do it. Good luck, Ninja Mouse. It is wise to note that this game should not be played barefooted. Please wear shoes or slippers so you can't feel for the trap with your toes. And also do not try to peek under the eye mask to see the traps. Don't peek! Stop peeking! Close your eyes. Close your eyes when you're walking, you cheater. Do not play near stairs and fragile objects. Parental supervision is required. Do not step on a triggered mouse trap in the rolled position because the trap may get damaged if you step on it while it's rolled up. Players take turns being the Ninja Mouse. The Ninja Mouse takes the eye mask. The other players share the 7 mouse traps. In a clear and open space, one player places the cheese 7 to 10 feet in front of Ninja Mouse. Ninja Mouse has the right to see the cheese for orientation. To increase difficulty, older children and adults are not allowed to see where the cheese is. Be creative. Ninja Mouse puts on the eye mask so he can't see. Next, the other players place the mouse traps on the path between Ninja Mouse and the cheese to catch Ninja Mouse. When it's ready, everyone shouts, "Go Ninja Mouse!" Ninja Mouse must now try to find the cheese, but beware not to trigger the mouse traps. Players can guide Ninja Mouse to help orient him or her. If the player touches or walks on a trap very gently like a real ninja does and does not trigger it, everyone shouts, "Ninja Mouse!" But wait until Ninja Mouse has completely removed his or her feet because the trap may be triggered. This game can be scored. You get 10 points for finding the cheese and -1 point for each trap triggered. To increase difficulty when playing with a timer, -3 points if you do not find the cheese in the time. Now, there are 3 types of challenge cards that are all designed to increase the difficulty level and have more fun playing. When it's your turn, you can pick a yellow card, a red card, or both. If you feel crazy, go ahead and pick a black challenge card. The yellow challenge cards are I dare you to actions that you need to take. It can be before taking your first step, while you try to find the cheese, or a combination of both. The red challenge cards are place me on the floor cards that you place on the floor as an addition to the 7 mouse traps. It can be an action to take, penalty points, or extra points. The black challenge cards are for going crazy and are a little bit more difficult challenges.
I never saw where the cheese was, by the way.
It's by your left foot. Here are my final thoughts. I really like that it comes with this little helpful guide and there are pictures, so if the instructions aren't clear enough, they've got little cartoon characters of the creator's family acting out all of how to play. Super cute. Challenges to this game are one, that you need a large open area. We were able to play this in my living room, but I wish that we had played this outside. It was a little too cold that day to play outside. I would suggest a living room. Definitely make sure you have things cleared off, because anytime you have a person wearing a blindfold, you know, stuff's gonna get knocked off. You're gonna run into things. I did like that they specified that you need to wear some sort of shoes or slippers on your feet so that your toes don't feel the difference between the floor and the mouse trap. So that was very smart. Packaging is a little busy for me. Am I critiquing packaging? I think I might be critiquing packaging. It's a little busy for me, but I absolutely love the design of the Ninja Mouse. I think it's super cute. The eye mask especially is super cute. Pros to this game are you can tailor it to play with your small child, like my 4-year-old. She did cheat. I'm saying it right here. She peeked from underneath that little mask and looked at her feet on the floor, but she had so much fun just stepping on the traps and triggering them. But then you can also tailor it to be more difficult and more challenging with the challenge card. So I like that there are different levels and you can make the game more relaxed or more intense and competitive with the different options. I do wish that it had come with more than one mask, or I wish there was an option to purchase additional masks. As a family, you don't mind sharing masks, but if you wanted to invite other people over to play, you would definitely need more than one mask so you're not sharing germs, in my opinion. So would love to see you come out with additional masks in the future, like to purchase on their own. I love how squishy the cheese is. That's great. It's nice and foam. The traps
Oh my goodness, slap bracelets on the floor. Definitely slap bracelets. It's the same kind of technology, but they're bigger. Love those. Is there any other game that offers that? I don't think so. That, in my opinion, is what set this game apart, are the mouse traps. Let me know, did you like this game? Would you consider purchasing it for your family or for another family on your holiday list? Let me know your thoughts down below, as well as the style of this video. I'll see you in my next one. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Bye.